As an asset manager or engineer, you understand the critical role of electrical assets in your operations. But are you getting the most out of their lifespan? In today's energy sector, challenges like frequent manual field checks, premature asset failures, and the lack of real-time data can keep you up at night. You need a solution that extends asset lifetime, reduces unplanned downtime, and provides actionable insights. Introducing Siemens Electrification X Asset Management. This comprehensive solution revolutionizes how you monitor and manage your electrical assets. By incorporating IoT sensors within your medium voltage switchgears, you gain unprecedented visibility into asset health and performance. These sensors act as the eyes and ears of your equipment, continuously monitoring critical parameters like temperature, humidity, partial discharge, and circuit breaker status. The data is securely transmitted to the cloud, where our advanced analytics provide you with real-time insights. Our intuitive dashboard gives you a comprehensive view of your asset's performance. You can easily track the health index of each asset, identify potential issues before they escalate, and make data-driven decisions to optimize maintenance schedules. With Electrification X Asset Management, you can finally move from frequent manual field checks to predictive maintenance. The system's Asset Health Index helps you increase asset lifetime and make informed decisions about when to repair, refurbish, or replace equipment. It's transforming how to manage the electrical infrastructure. By implementing Electrification X Asset Management, you can increase asset lifetime, reduce unplanned shutdowns, optimize maintenance cycles based on actual asset condition, improve asset utilization and reduce CapEx, make decisions based on real-time KPIs. Don't let aging assets and inefficient maintenance practices hold you back. Embrace the future of asset management with Siemens' Electrification X Asset Management. It's time to maximize the value and lifespan of your electrical assets. Contact your Siemens representative today to learn how Electrification X Asset Management can transform your operations and drive long-term success.